How does an off-grid solar inverter work? An off-grid solar inverter is an essential component of an off-grid solar power system. The inverter's job is to convert the DC electricity generated by solar panels into AC electricity that can be used to power your home's appliances without relying on the grid. Off-grid power systems are not connected to the local power grid and rely entirely on solar panels and energy storage systems, like batteries, to supply electricity. With an off-grid power system, you only use the power you generate, making it an environmentally friendly and cost-effective energy solution. Here's how an off-grid solar inverter works to keep your appliances running. Solar off-grid power systems generally consist of solar panels, controllers, batteries, and solar inverters. Off-grid solar power systems store electricity on batteries for use by equipment. When there is light, the solar cell module converts the light energy into electrical energy and forms a solar cell square array according to the series and parallel connection of the modules, so that the voltage of the square array reaches the requirement of the system input voltage. When electricity is needed, the inverter converts the DC power stored in the battery pack into AC power and transmits the power to loads that need electricity, such as electrical appliances or lamps, through wires. At the same time, the battery is charged according to the charge and discharge controller, and the electric energy converted from light energy is stored. The stored electrical energy of the battery pack is managed by the charge controller to avoid over-discharging or recharging the battery, as well as to avoid overheating and damage to the battery. In the absence of light, such as on cloudy days or at night, when the power provided by the solar panels is insufficient, the battery pack will automatically release the stored power to meet the needs of the load. According to the function of the inverter, the direct current is converted into alternating current, which is transmitted to the power distribution cabinet, and the power is supplied by the conversion function of the power distribution cabinet. The charging and discharging of the battery pack are controlled by the controller, so as to realize the normal use of the battery. The solar power system should also have limited load protection and lightning protection devices to protect against the overload operation of the system equipment and avoid lightning strikes, and maintain the safe use of the system equipment. It should be noted that the capacity of the off-grid solar photovoltaic power generation system needs to be designed according to the actual demand to ensure that the system can meet the daily electricity demand. At the same time, the components of the system require regular maintenance and overhaul to ensure that the system can work properly.
Microtech off-grid inverter solar system connection.
Get in touch with us today. Buy solar inverter from the top manufacturer, Microtech.